Pretty sunset. My Thursday people. There goes the day cab. Good morning, my Friday people. It's been a busy week so far. Let's see what the other half brings us. Good morning, my Saturday people. It's foggy, 55 degrees here in Eugene. You see the second car ahead of me? Barely. Fern Ridge Reservoir. Bet you can run up that hill like a good old Dukes of Hazzards. I don't know how many people have attempted that. Break through the fence. Well, there's a gut right there. There's a gut right there in the road, off the road. So you're not gonna make it past that. Beyond that hill is water. That's just a piss me ass little swamp. Good morning, Wednesday people. Look at the sunrise. Good morning, Thursday people. I think it's been about a week since I filmed. Wow, I've been so freaking busy with work. Damn. I was kind of looking at my YouTube stats. It's like, it looks like it's been a while since I threw up another video. So anyhow, I'm gonna see if I can throw one up tomorrow. But beautiful day in the neighborhood. Low weather up there, not bad. It's been cloudy the last couple of days. I think because of the wind must have changed. A little high atmosphere of smoke The forests are still smoldering. Look, people going fishing. The reservoir is getting low here at Fern Ridge. Going down awful quick. When I haven't looked at the weather guessers, say what they're saying about the winter, but last couple winters were pretty mild. I mean, are we going to get nailed this year? Only time will tell. That would just probably put the cherry on the cake for 2020. A blizzard this year, just bang it out. Nothing else will surprise me for 2020. Unbelievable. Well, next year you can say on January 1st, 2021, you can say 2020 is hindsight. Fuck. It's been cold last few weeks, every freaking morning. Been down in the 50s, low 50s, so fall has certainly kicked in. Leaves all over the road, those leaf blower people cleaning the road. Oh my god. Almost ran into a pile of leaves in the road. Blowing all the shit off from the sidewalk in the road, then you gotta drive through it. It's like, I don't want to drive through that. I had to go on the other side of the road to avoid driving through their pile of leaf debris. It's like, come on, people. You make the sidewalks in your yard pretty, but then you leave all the shit on the street so the cars can run over it for you. Yeah, make friggin' sense. Lazy people. What happened for raking it up and throwing it in garbage bags? You see, they don't want to do that because that costs them more money. Hey, nothing wrong with a morning rant. Oh boy. Okay. It's big rig. People going to the coast. Well, I haven't been to the coast in a while. God damn, I've been so busy. Been busy. Good morning, Friday people. Oh, shoot. Saturday people. My God, losing my days. It's a wet day in the neighborhood. It's nasty wasty. Hopefully this helps the rest of the wildfires out there. They're still smoldering. Out here in Lowell, Dexter, there's the lake. Crappy weather. Check it out, historical covered bridge, huh? I did a video about it last year. I mean, I just stopped right in the parking lot and I went to take pictures and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, huh? It'd be awesome photography today. Dramatic skies. Bet you that water is cold. Does he have to stop? I think so. No, I don't think so. I have to stop. I didn't stop coming this way though. Here's the high school. I took pictures of this last time too. Look how pretty that looks. I think one of the best looking high schools I've ever seen. Yeah. Almost got nailed. Cop was sitting there. Oh well. Now the gorgeous views, the lake. Here's that thing again. Covered bridge. Lowell Covered Bridge, built 1945. That's pretty cool.